Let's do one more limit problem. Limit x goes to 0, e power 3x minus 1 divided by x. Now let's solve this limit. Assume 3 power x is equal to y. This is the power of exponential. So we will assume that is another variable, which is y. Now, from this equation, 3x is equal to y, we can see that as x goes to 0, y also goes to 0. So this given function becomes the given function becomes limit x goes to 0, e power 3x minus 1 divided by x. We can write this. Now we'll change this limit to y. Okay. So limit. So as x goes to 0, y goes to 0. So y goes to 0. E power. So this 3x will be replaced by y. Now this limit will only consist of y, but not x, minus 1 divided by x. So this x will also be replaced. So from this equation, we can see that x is equal to y divided by 3. So here we will replace y divided by 3, which is equal to 3 limit y goes to 0, e power y minus 1 divided by y. Now this limit e power y minus 1 divided by y. So if we solve this limit, let's say we apply the L'Hopital rule. So you take the derivative of this function with respect to y. So it's e power y, and here we have 1. So this is now equal to 1. As y goes to 0, e power y goes to 1. So now this thing can be replaced by 1, and we see that limit x goes to 0, e power 3x minus 1 divided by x is equal to 3. So limit x goes to 0, e power 3x minus 1 divided by x, so that is equal to 3. And that's the answer.